present our different methods. Brainstorming,
Heuristic approach,
An innovative method.
So now, let's talk about brainstorming. What is brainstorming? It's a group or individual creativity technique by which efforts are made to find a conclusion for a specific problem by gathering spontaneous ideas from different participants in an interactive manner. So,
Example of brainstorming. Students will develop a class project. So students will explore experiment considering the hypothesis, methodologies, and the data analysis techniques.
So here's the advantages of brainstorming. First, encourage creativity. Allow participants to think freely and suggest any ideas without fear and criticism. Second, generate many ideas. Help produce a wide range of ideas in a short time. Third, improve teamwork and collaboration. Involves everyone in the group promoting communication and teamwork. And lastly, builds confidence. Encourage participants to speak up and express their opinions. Advantages of brainstorming. First, dominance by stronger personalities. Some members may talk more while shy ones remain silent. Second one is time consuming. Can take a lot of time if not well managed. Third, off-topic ideas may lead to unrelated and unrealistic suggestions. And lastly, lack of organization. Without clear system and the session can make an
The heuristic approach comes from the Greek word heuristic, which means to discover or to find. So in this specific teaching methods, students are encouraged to find answers on their own with a little help from the teacher. So for example, if they are given a topic on why or does plant need sunlight, the teachers will not give them a specific direct answer, but instead they will task them, the students, to do their own research to either check if a plant survives with sunlight or does not survive without the sunlight.
And now, here are the advantages and disadvantages of heuristic approach. So now, I will tackle the advantages of heuristic approach. So the first one is the developing critical thinking, which the learners analyze, and so the second is the encourage curiosity, where the learners are engaged on hand-on tasks.
Of heuristic approach. The first one, time consuming. Discovery-based learning takes longer than direct instruction. The second one, can confuse some students. Without guidance, others may struggle to find the right answer.
So now let's tackle about the innovative method. An innovative method is simply a new or creative way of doing something. It's about finding a better or more efficient approaches than what's being currently used. Think about it as a new, fresh solution to an old problem. For example, in one classroom, there are different personality of students. Others are preferred in discussions and others are preferred in interactive activities. So teachers need to create a new approaches or strategies to get the attention of all students.
These are the advantages of innovative method. The first one is enhanced engagement. Learners become more interested and involved due to creative and interactive approaches. These are the disadvantages of innovative method. Requires more time and preparation. Implementing innovative can be time consuming. The second one is needs resources and technology. Some method may need equipment.